Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome back to more RC video reviews. It's raining non-stop for a long time, and I don't think it's gonna stop for a couple of more days, who knows, weeks. But hey, I'm glad I have my URUAV brushless FPV VOOP right here, so I can actually enjoy flying it. But before that, of course, I'm gonna give you a closer looky at this little FPV brushless FPV VOOP, and that I'm actually spoiled. Ishin have spoiled me with choices to fly this little VOOP with EV200D, EV800D, or EV900 HD FPV video goggles. This is the URUAV brushless FPV VOOP, and I believe that the Ishin UK and US small FPV VOOPs are basically the same thing. So anyway, let me bring the camera closer, take a closer look, give you a closer look at the FPV VOOP and its features, and then batteries are charged, and we are going to enjoy flying it right away. Alright, this tiny little FPV VOOP is running 17,000 kV brushless motors. In its belly, it has Crazy Bee F3 flight controller with 4-in-1 5M BL Heli D-Shot 600 capable ESCs. The FPV video system is 25 milliwatt 40 channel FPV video system with a 120-degree FOV on the FPV camera. I have got myself the free Sky version. This is also available for Fly Sky. Now, running a Crazy Bee F3 flight controller means you have got yourself angle, acro, and air modes should you want to do some aerobatics. But is it that powerful to do aerobatics? Does it really have that much punch? Let's test it right away. First, I will fly it line of sight so you can see how well it's flying, how it's performing, how much punch and power it has. And after that, we'll put on FPV video goggles and fly FPV and see how much fun this little FPV VOOP can bring us. Alright, let's fly the FPV VOOP. It's ready right here. And turn on my Tyrannus.
It's a good day to fly RC. Remember to fly hard and crash harder. Have fun.
That's my personalized greetings. Okay, this is my switch for flight modes, and this is the arming switch, arming disarming switch. Let's power the quadcopter on. First, we are going to fly it line of sight only. Okay, I'll take off from my djembe. It makes a very nice helipad right here. All right, gonna fly it in our confined room right here. All right, we are airborne. But the first thing I notice is, apart from it's flying really awesome, is that I have to use a lot of throttle to actually get it airborne, which kind of gives me a disappointment, because having to have a brushless 17,000 kV motors, I was expecting it to just get up on a fraction of a throttle. Probably we can fix that by setting the throttle curves on my Tyrannus X9D. Man, this thing is fast, and I'm getting really dizzy now. Hey, the amount of control on this and the responses is basically handling like any ordinary FPV racing quadcopter. It's basically handling like any of my other FPV racing quadcopters. I mean, full size 3 inches, 4 inches, or micro FPV racers that I have, my Diaton, my Emax Hawk 5. It's basically handling just like that. Man, that is the best place to land your FPV whoop. Alright, I hope I didn't cut the cables of my turbo wing on that mini Talon. Alright, once again. So yes, handling, yeah, that was my fault, I hit it there, but handling is amazing on this. It's agile, it's fast, and absolutely very responsive. And fast too, so let's just see some speed. Check it out, I set some gates already, so I can actually have fun flying the FPV whooping with this one. 2 gates, and the 3rd gate. Woo! Man, it's fast. You can see it. Whoa! I think I will fly it outdoors, man, to actually enjoy speed on this one. So now we are in acro mode, and let's crash it. Yes, but it did do that flip, I mean roll. I'm losing throttle. Yeah, I did it without crashing. And I crashed real bad this time. But hey, these quadcopters, I mean FPV whoops, are made for crashing.
RSSI critical.
RSSI critical means my battery is at 2.95. I'm sure it's gonna give me 2 minutes at least, or 3 minutes, to have fun FPV whooping indoors, and probably 1 or 2 minutes only of high-speed flight outdoor. We'll find out very soon when we bring it outdoors, but first off, I do have batteries left. Let's do some FPV whooping right here indoors. Ow. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button, right?